Good day, good people. Welcome to Good for Good. Today's LOT of the day is McDonald's Happy Meal toys featuring Pokemon. We have 15 trading cards to collect. And this is how the Happy Meal box looks like. There's also a digital game experience. And this set is called Dragon Discovery. The last time Pokemon collaborated with Happy Meal was in November 2023. There was a different set of cards. It was Match and Battle, and you can check that video out on my channel and I'll link it in the description below. Do me a favor and hit the like button, thank you. So every week we have 2 different box designs and they come with sticker activity sheets. So the first one we have is Miraidon. Let's start Pokemon. Each of these Happy Meal toy will come with 1 pack of cards and an activity sheet, as well as some stickers. I am getting this for the cards. I see Eevee sticker, and we have some body parts. And this is Hatenna. I see Charizard's wing. And we have Pikachu and Drempa's head. And here's the pack artwork, which is the same as the Happy Meal box. Now we check out the activity sheet. I have a feeling this will look like a poster. The activity sheet's quality seems quite good. We have Miraidon, Koraidon, Dragonite, and Pikachu. And on the reverse, this is where the stickers come in. We got Drampa in the mountains, Dragonite, and Quagsire. And then there are visible spots to paste the stickers. And then the other exciting part about this toy is the trading card game. Each pack comes with 4 cards. When you're ready to try more fun games with Pokemon TCG cards, you can ask for your parents' permission to visit tcg.pokemon.com/how-to-play to find out more. And the pack is in paper quality. And there's the recyclable sign. Wanna hear some ASMR paper pack opening? Okay, that's good enough. Oh, we have a spoiler. So the holo card is the first card that you see if you open it from the back. We're gonna cut 3 Pokemon Happy Meal cards. First card of the pack, we have the classic Charizard. And the trainers on the left. If I'm not wrong, all these artworks are reprinted from other card sets. Then we have Eevee, Quagsire, and the holo card that we have is Pikachu. I'm wondering if this is rare. Because from the previous Match and Battle packs, there were a few cards that were quite rare. I think the cards will look better if they have the stem embossed on the bottom right. And this one says M24 English. The holo is still nice. So that was the first pack. Now we check out the second box. This one is Pikachu and Dragonite. Okay, pack artwork is the same. Oh, I know in the US, the Happy Meal boxes come in different designs, but it seems like in Singapore it's all the same, which is a pity. Maybe I'll find out next week to see if the boxes are the same. This sticker we have Umbreon, and we have more parts which are all numbered, and Dragapult. For the activity sheet, we have 4 Pokemon. Wow, the Umbreon size comparison is so different. Umbreon is in the middle at the bottom. And the reverse side, we have Pikachu, Dragonite, and Drampa. I don't know why, but Drampa looks so funny. Look at Pikachu's face. Let's see what cards there are in this pack. Same thing as the first pack, we're gonna put the holo card at the back. First up, Rayquaza. I feel like eating pasta. Dragapult. Quagsire again, so this is the first duplicate card. And for the holo, oh no! As much as how popular Pikachu is, I don't want to get a duplicate. I guess I'll find out how rare this is after more people open them. Now that we've seen the activity sheets and the cards, let's take a look at the digital game. First, we scan the QR code. Pokemon Dragon Discovery. Let's play. Warning, this activity has graphics that may affect photosensitive viewers. As usual, we always get a nice intro. Select maze. We got 3. We have a volcano, and then a forest and a beach. Let's go with the first one. How to play. Swipe right, left, up or down to search the maze for dragon-type Pokemon and their friends. Level 1. Wow, look at the lava. This game looks like the Sonic Hedgehog game in my previous Happy Meal opening. No Pokemon in that rock. You found Rayquaza. Success, select a Pokemon to learn more. Let's continue by clicking next. Round 2. Final round 3. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you can like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you again soon. Thank you. Click one of the videos to watch more.